Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you the news journal that just came out this week. It's called the Clever Fox Self-Love Journal and covers 180 days of daily journaling. The journal comes in a standard A5 format, so it's compact enough to carry with you anywhere you go. It has a nice vegan leather hardcover, a pen loop for your pen, and an elastic band. Then inside the journal, you'll find 3 sheets of stickers and a small user guide to help you understand how to use all sections inside the journal itself. In the back, you'll find a nice expandable pocket for any loose notes that you want to keep, and you can also store your stickers in there. And then you also have the title page for your name and contact details. The journal itself begins with an introduction that helps you understand what the journal is about and what self-love is. So we wanted to make this journal because self-love is a really helpful habit to practice daily. And the best way to build a habit is to actually make sure that you do your best to practice it as often as you can. So a daily journal is a great tool for doing exactly that. For the purposes of the journal, we broke down self-love into 4 different areas. So you have self-esteem, self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-care. And the second part of the journal is actually a self-love workbook that works through each of these areas and helps you understand why it's important for you. And then each area also includes different questions that help you pinpoint any changes you can make, and some helpful exercises that vary from section to section. And those are really helpful for actually starting to make all of those changes that you want to make in your life. So for example, this one is called My Hall of Fame and helps you celebrate any achievements and wins that you had in your life to make sure that you start feeling better about yourself and understand how much you can actually achieve. So each of those sections actually follows a similar structure. I love how all the pages are nice and illustrated, and there is no page that is the same. It really helps you keep journaling fun. Some of the sections are broken down into a few parts. So for example, self-acceptance is broken down into the parts that's called self-compassion. And here you will be able to practice self-compassion and write a letter to yourself. And the part that's called affirmations that helps you start practicing affirmations and make some of your own affirmations. My favorite bit is actually the self-care part. It's the last section. Helps you understand how well you're doing in each of your life areas and work out a plan for how to improve each of those areas. And also helps you analyze your daily rituals and pinpoint any changes that you can make in your daily life to start feeling better. Then finally, you get to the journaling part, which covers 180 days. All the pages aren't dated because we wanted to make sure that you can skip a page if you ever feel too tired or too busy, or you're just not feeling like going the extra mile. That's totally fine. Just skip a page and start the next day. You begin each day with practice and gratitude, and here you can list 3 things you're grateful for. Then you'll have to write down 1 thing that you love that you will do that day, and make your small self-love, self-care to-do list. Those activities you will do to feel better. I really like this part because it helps you remember that you need to do something nice every single day, something that helps you feel better about yourself, support your well-being, whether it be mental or physical well-being, and actually ensures that it becomes a habit to do the things that you love every single day. Then here you can choose your affirmations that you want to practice the day. Write down something you're excited about and something you're proud of. These are great for helping you support a positive mindset. And then at the bottom of the page, you have 3 different questions. So the first one repeats every single day, and it's, how do I feel today? This one helps you analyze your feelings and build self-awareness. And the bottom 2 actually change every single day. So you'll see that they change, and every day you can answer 2 new questions. And I think that's really helpful for learning more about yourself and keeping your journaling practice fun. And at the back of the journal, you'll find some empty dotted pages that you can actually customize any way you like. You can add extra notes, trackers, or anything else you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please do leave any comments if you have questions, and I'll make sure to answer them as quickly as I can. And if you liked the video, please do follow our channel, like this video, and press the notification button to make sure that you actually see when we post a new video next time. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!